Hey, I'm Bob, the Mortgage Coach Mitchell, and we're working on glossary terms, and we're actually starting the G's, and there are only three G's, so we should get through these pretty quickly. Anyway, the first one is good faith estimate, which actually is a form we don't even use anymore. So I think probably take that one off the list. Anyway, the good faith estimate was an estimate form, a form that the lender filled out to estimate what your closing costs were going to be. There really wasn't any teeth in it. So when they back after the Great Recession and when they put a lot of the new rules in place, they replaced the good faith estimate with the new TILA and RESPA integrated disclosure or TRID. Anyway, so now you're going to get a little bit of you're going to get a loan estimate and closing disclosure instead of a good faith estimate. The idea is the same. It's to give you an idea to make sure that we know how much money it's going to take for you to get into to do the transaction, to get into the house or to do the refinance or whatever the case might be. But, it's an estimate to let you know what the different costs and fees are going to be and how much it's actually going to cost you. So anyway, that's what a good faith estimate used to be. It's now done by the truth in lending disclosure in the loan estimate and disclosure form. So anyway, if you have any questions about it, give me a holler. I'm Bob the Mortgage Coach Mitchell, and now let's put you into a house.